1, 2, 3. What a mess. Ridiculous. Oh my god. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. So for your information, I'm going to start a new series called Home Redecorate. So basically it's a series where I redecorate my home. Well, it's a family home because me and my family live together, but it's my home anyway. Okay, so but first I'm going to tackle my room, but in order to do that I need to clean my room first. But please don't judge me, okay? It's gonna be better. So let's get to it. 1, 2, 3. What a mess. Ridiculous. Oh my god. Bersepahnya. So I'm so sorry about this room. This is such a mess. First of all, kita akan tackle yang mana dulu? Okay, kita akan tackle laundry dulu. Okay, masukkan baju-baju kotor masuk dalam tu. Dan kita keluarkan, nanti kita akan pergi laundry lah. Lepas tu kita akan kemas mana yang kita perlukan dan yang mana yang kita tak perlukan. Kita akan separatekan dia. So katil ni nanti kita akan kemas. Lepas tu kita akan sembur fabrics lah. This is the before. Okay. Such a mess. Okay. Jadi kita akan tengok perubahan dia. Okay. Keluarkan ni semua, letak dekat ruang tamu, kita kemas bilik apa semua, dan habis tu baru kita akan hobi lah.
So this is my loose coin. I save every loose coin that I have. I sort them by amount, 50 cent, 20 cent, 10 cent and 5 cent.
I ada benda ni, dia macam box tapi yang boleh lipat. So I akan buka dia. So benda ni akan masuk kat dalam dia supaya kita boleh letak all of our skincare and beauty things lah. Okay, so semua beauty semua dah ada dekat sini. Sini semua brushes. Sorry guys, I didn't film this part. I thought I filmed it, but apparently it's not the case. Okay, sorry. So basically what I did is I put them into their category. Okay, clothing with clothing, makeup and skincare in one place, and then the document in one place. And then after that, I moved everything out of my room. So basically everything in my room, I put it outside after I organize it, you know. And then because I want to start with a blank space. It's easier to decorate things using a blank space. Okay, so this is after I clean my room. Okay, so this is what my room looks like after kita keluarkan semua barang-barang. Sekarang dah empty. It's not clean, but it's empty. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is clean up those mess. Lepas tu kita bersihkan sarung-sarung yang ada kat atas tu, and then kita keluarkan ini dan juga bedsheet ni. Nanti kita akan atur balik, and then we're done. Okay, so basically it's now clean, but it's empty. So for the next video, I'm going to show you how I decorate this room. So basically we don't want it to be like very empty, just have the bed, you know. I want to have a dresser, a wardrobe, and also a nightstand or whatever. Okay, so if you want to know how I decorate my room. Stay tuned for that. It's coming to you very soon. If you like this video, make sure you like it, and then if you clean your room during this coronavirus lockdown pandemic, comment down below. Also subscribe there, okay? Subscribe, because why not? Subscribe is free and it doesn't cost you any money, so why not, right? Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.